In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register for the Duolingo English Test. Start by opening your browser and heading to englishtest.duolingo.com onboarding. This takes you straight to the onboarding flow for the test. On the welcome screen, you'll be asked to customize your experience. Choose the account option that best fits how you plan to use the test so the platform can tailor recommendations for you. When you're ready, click Continue. Next, you'll enter your personal details. Type your first name, then your last name exactly as they appear on the ID you'll use on test day. Matching your ID helps avoid verification issues later. After that, click Continue. You'll now see a question about why you're interested in an English test. Pick the reason that most closely aligns with your goal, whether that's applying to schools, professional purposes, immigration requirements, or personal growth. This helps Duolingo show you relevant resources. Make your selection and click Continue. The next prompt asks where you intend to study. You can select all regions that apply. If you're considering multiple destinations, feel free to check each one. Schools across different countries may have slightly different timelines and requirements. Once you've made your choices, click Continue. You'll then be asked when you plan to take the test. Choose the time frame that reflects your schedule. If you're working toward an application deadline, allow enough time for preparation, taking the test, and receiving your certified results. Select your option and click Continue. You'll see one more question about how you heard about the test. You can select up to 3 options. Choose the sources that actually led you here. This simply helps the team improve their guidance for future test takers. Click Continue to move on. Now you should land on your home page. Click Purchase a test to begin setting up your test access. Here, you'll choose the test quantity. If you're confident and only need one attempt, select a single test. If you want a backup in case something unexpected happens, like a technical hiccup or you'd like a chance to improve your score, consider selecting 2 tests. This can be helpful if your deadline is tight and you don't want to wait to buy another later. Once you've chosen the quantity, you've completed the registration flow outlined in this guide. Follow the on-screen prompts to continue within your account and you'll be on your way. Thanks for watching and good luck preparing for your Duolingo English test.